Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Hudak teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance, and I want to thank you for returning to this channel and taking time to click on these videos and learn the dance. Thank you so much. Thank you for your comments. I appreciate the support. The next dance I'm going to teach you is the easy peasy, guys. But I'm always reminded of those who are just starting out. So this is for you. It's called Coastin. Coasting is a one-wall dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along, watch till the end of this video and just click on this link and we can dance together. So, this is a one-wall dance, guys, and there's only two parts. And let's go. So, I want you to stand on this side of the room and we're going to look in this direction, okay? The weight is going to start on the left. We're going to start with a heel step, rock, recover. So, the weight is on the left and we do a heel, step, rock, rock up, recover, left, left, back, right, left. Again, heel, step, rock, recover, left, left, right, left. Okay? We're going to add on. We're going to go out and in, tap, out, come in, out, together. 4 times. Out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. And that is part 1. And we're going to do that twice. 5, 6, 7. From the top is heel, step, rock, recover, left, left, rock, right, left, out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. Again. Heel, step, rock, recover, left, left, rock, right, left, out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. 2 times. Part 1. Now, let's do that again, giving you the count. 5, 6, 7, and it's 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, it's 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, part 1 you'll do twice. Now we're going to move on to part 2. Part 2 is going to move counterclockwise, and we're going to do at each wall. The weight is on the left again. You're going to step right, pivot to your left, quarter turn, and do a coaster step on the left. Left, right, left. Okay, so the step, pivot, that's a quarter turn with the right shoulder coming forward, left coaster step. Left, right, roll right, roll left. We're going to do that again. Same step at each wall. Step, pivot on the right, the left come back. Left, right, roll right, roll left. Do it again. Step, pivot, left, coaster, step, roll right, roll left. One more time. Right step, pivot forward, left, coaster, step, roll right, roll left. Now, I'm going to do it again and give you the count. 5 with the step pivot. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, left, 3, and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, left, 3, and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, left, 3, and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, left, 3, and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Your weight ends up on the left and we step, see my right heel is up and we step, heel step, going back to the front. So let's put part 1 together, which we're going to do twice, and then part 2, we're going to do all 4 walls, moving counterclockwise. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, rock 3, 4, left 5, 6, rock 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, left 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, left 3 and 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, right 1, 2, left 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and heel, starting all over, okay? So part 1 and part 2, there's no changes. In other words, you do part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2 throughout the entire song. That's called coasting. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.